Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I'm going to show you how to make mac and cheese in Instant Pot, which is extremely easy and it still tastes superb. So let's dive in. But be sure to subscribe to my channel for future videos and don't forget to hit the like button. Into the Instant Pot, add 3.5 cups of water, or you can also use vegetable broth. With 2 cups of macaroni pasta, and with this also add 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can adjust it as per your taste. Put the lid on and seal the air vent. Cook it on manual mode for 4 minutes. After the Instant Pot goes off, leave it for 5 minutes and then release the pressure. Open the Instant Pot lid. Macaroni pasta is nicely cooked. Now for rich and creamy texture, add half cup of heavy cream or half and half. You can also substitute with whole milk. Add 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil. Now it's time to add some seasoning. Mac and cheese tastes amazing when added 1.5 teaspoon of Dijon mustard in it. With that, add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can use any kind of cheese, but I am using 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese and 1.5 cups of shredded mild cheddar cheese. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of cream cheese and mix it really well. Be sure to take out cream cheese from the refrigerator half an hour before you're using. For extra cheesy, add additional 1/2 to 1 cup of shredded cheese of your choice. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell for new videos I post every week, and do hit that like button down below. Next step is totally optional, but I would recommend it as it gives really nice and good crunchy texture on top of creamy texture. So take out mac and cheese in an oven-safe tray and try to even it out. Make sure to preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to top it with just 1/2 cup of mixed cheese, which is again Monterey Jack and mild cheddar. I'm using Italian style breadcrumbs, but you can use panko as well. Now let's put this tray into the oven to bake it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And then switch it to broil for just 3 minutes or until the top turns slightly golden brown. Try not to leave it for too long into the oven or your sauce will break and oil will get separated. So when you see a light golden brown texture on top of this mac and cheese, take it out from the oven. Perfect mac and cheese is ready, but let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then serve. It is perfect for potluck and kids love it. Make this mac and cheese in Instant Pot with ease and don't forget to tag me and follow me on Instagram. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new videos and do hit that like button down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.